Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this gorgeous look for you. And yeah, if you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep on watching, of course. And today I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. And I really love this foundation. It's very nice. And oh yeah, and last week I did my hair finally. Put keratin in my hair. You can see no frizz at all. So I'm very happy about that. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. And I am using number 9 in neutral. And this foundation I really like because it gives me a natural look, and I really like the texture because it doesn't crease and it stays on really long, but the coverage is not too much. And I do have a few spots on my face, and before I'm going in with the foundation, I'm going to put on a concealer, and this concealer is by Nars, the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in medium dark 1-5. Okay, now using my beauty blender, I'm going to use 2 pumps. And this is how it looks on my face. I think it's a really nice color. It suits my skin color. I'm also going to put on concealer under my eyes with my finger. Same concealer. Like, look at the difference between this eye, which has concealer on, and this eye, which doesn't have concealer on. Crazy, right? Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Now it's time for brow time. And for that, I'm using this brush. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Okay, so I'm done with my brows, and I also put some concealer on my eyelids. So now we are ready to start with the eyes. And for this look, I'm going to use my newly bought Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is the volume 2 palette. And these are the colors. Gorgeous, right? And later I'm going to use this color for highlighter. So that's going to be really cool. Okay, and the first color I'm going to use is this beautiful yellow color, and it's called No Joke. And I'm going to use this brush, flat brush, for the yellow color, and I'm going to put that on my lids. And because you put the concealer on, this color will be shown much better. And it's better if you just tap in the color instead of swiping. Okay, now we have the yellow on our eyes. So now I'm going to use this blending brush, and I'm going to use a light brown color, this one called G Money, this one. And I'm going to place that on the inner corner right here of my eye, starting here and ending here. And I think I'm gonna start with a smaller brush, a flat, small brush, to be more precise. And starting from the inner corner, okay, now using the black color from this palette called Temptress, I'm going to place that on the outer corner, creating kind of like a wing. Okay, and now I'm going to use a makeup wipe, and I'm going to put that on the end of my brush, and I'm going to create a sharp line. And I'm going to fill in a little bit more here. And wiping off some more. And then using a blending brush to blend it with the yellow color. And I'm going to put on a white eyeliner, and this eyeliner is by MAC, Cruella. You have the white version and the black one. So I'm using the white one, and I'm lining my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to take the black eyeshadow I already used, and I'm using this brush, small flat brush. I'm going to place it under my eye. But what I want to do is I want to create like a eyeliner, a white eyeliner here on my inner corner. So what I want to do is not start from here, but start a bit lower, and I'll show you later, but you have to start from here, and then under your eyes, and then what you want to do is drag it all the way here to create like a double line, and the middle part we're going to fill in with white eyeliner. So I'm using the NYX white eyeliner, Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner in the color white. Looks like this. And what I want to do is first create a line between the brown and the yellow color, starting from here until here. And what I'm going to do is put the white right here on that spot. Well, you're kind of like connecting it to your waterline, you know? And lastly, putting it here, filling that part in. And you're also connecting your waterline again to that spot, you know? Start from there, and then drag it up. Okay, now take your concealer brush and try to fix underneath your eyes. So sharpen the black line. And remember, we use the brown color, G Money, this one. We're going to use that color again, and we're going to blend it with the black color under your eye. Okay, and then correcting again with your concealer brush. Okay, so now you have this, and it looks kind of weird because you have like on your eyelashes you have white eyeliner, but we're going to fix that with mascara. And I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, this one. in black. And before I do that, I do want to correct the inner corner a bit to connect it with the white eyeliner. And also put some mascara on your bottom lashes. Okay, what you want to do now is get some lashes, and I'm going to use half lashes just to intensify, you know, the look. And I also want to use individual lashes, and these lashes are by KIKO. I'm going to use the shortest ones, so the ones on the bottom. Okay, and now I have all my lashes on. I put also lashes on the bottom and on the top. Now I'm going to take a bronzer and put that on my face. Okay, take your beauty blender and blend it out. Okay, and now time for highlighter, and I want to use this color, Talia, as a blush. And for that, I'm using a small blush brush. Okay, now put on the highlighter. Okay, now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder in the color translucent. And I'm going to put that under my eyes a little bit, but not too much, mostly on my nose just to contour, and on my chin, forehead, and of course over there. Okay, while that is on my face, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime for your lips, and it looks like this, and it smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, and now I'm going to tap in the powder. I'm not going to wipe it off. I just want it to stay there, you know, like that. Okay, now for the lips, and I'm going to use the MAC lip liner in Strip Down. Okay, now using the MAC lipstick in Burnt Spice. Okay, and then I'm going to use my concealer brush again just to fix my lip line. Okay guys, and that is the finished look. So let me get closer. So if I close my eyes, you can see the thick brows. We have the lashes going on. We got the white eyeliner, the yellow mixed with the black, and then on top of the white, we got the dark brown color. We have bronzer on, and our lips are done. So I think this look is very pretty. And you know, it gives your eyes like a wow effect. And I think this will look very nice in pictures. So if you like this look, then subscribe to my channel and also comment down below if you have any questions. Like this video, of course, and then I will see you in my next video. And I'll be, of course, using all the makeup products I've been buying last week, so I'm very excited for that. And I'm also happy that I could use the Jaclyn Hill palette today because these colors are super gorgeous and they are very good quality, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!